Good afternoon. My name is Camilla Hosein, and I am the parent of Kaylon Fafan. I wanted to express my deepest gratitude to the PTI family for all the assistance, for all the hard work, for all that they have done in preparing my son for the SCA examination 2021. It has been a long, hard road. The pandemic has caused the switch to online learning, which made it very difficult for my son to keep up with his school because there were several issues with the school and readjusting to the online system. When I heard about PTI decided to give them a try. I enrolled in the Prodigy program and I have never looked back. It was the best decision that I have ever made, the best investment that I have ever made for my son. The PTI family, they are all great. I had no issues with them. They were always responsive no matter what time I would message or reach out to them. I would always get a response. They were always willing to assist with anything that I needed help with. When I pulled him from school and registered him as a private candidate to do the SEA, I relied on the PTI Prodigy program to help him go through. Most of his classes were done by Mr. Alvin. He was an excellent teacher. He was the best. He would have, because I would have sat with my son several times, he would go through the same thing over and over with these kids until they understood. His whole approach was what my son needed. Um, even the jokes, I personally look forward to the jokes at the beginning of every class. It was always fun. He made learning fun. And my son also did one-on-one tutoring with math tutoring with Miss Khadijah. She was also great. She was also very self-explanatory. And I really appreciate everything. And he sat his SCA. He got his results yesterday and he got his first choice in Mary's College. And I am very happy. He is very happy. We are very proud. And I am very grateful to PTI for the part that they have played, especially in a time like this where there were so many things going on to affect the child. PTI kept the course and they went with the program, and it really helped my son. Thank you, PTI.